Somebody. Money, I was so craving for something spicy. So อยากกินตำบักหุ่ง so มื้อนี้สิเฮ็ดตำบักหุ่งให้กินเด้อ this is what I have at home. Whatever I find, this is what I have. Guess how many pepper is in my Coke? That's how spicy I want it. Okay, I'm gonna put in my MSG. Have shrimp paste. And I'm gonna put crab paste. Some people like it dark. I don't really like that dark that much. This is all my pepper in here. Okay. And I have sugar. Spoon and a half. I like it sweet and sour. You can use the palm เป็นก้อน in your thumb. If you don't have it, you don't have to, but I'm not going to use it today. I just use regular sugar. That's it. I'm going to smash. Did you guys guess how many peppers in here? Ha ha ha. What's ha ha ha?
That means you're laughing.
55.
55.
55 bucket.
Okay, look, bucket in here. Putting slice of tomato. Okay, and then I kind of smashed my tomato a little bit. Tomato. And then I'm gonna have McNow in here. See, I like to put the whole, wash it and then whole lime in here. I have makua.
Give me a glove, please.
Oop. I can't suck.
Oh, what happened? Dad, can you put that inside?
I have my homemade padak that I made. I'm gonna put this is not pao, okay? Since I bought a big and then so I have to use this.
That's fish sauce, not silasa. Tasted it, but she didn't lick the spoon, okay?
I will lick it for you if you want me to lick the spoon. Just kidding. Now I have McHoong. I'm gonna add McHoong in here. I like the ton nhai. I like a big chunk. It's very crispy.
There you go.
I'm gonna add more my nam padak. I'm gonna add more now.
You're gonna box me, boy.
Wanna taste, Alisa?
Sure.
Okay. Backให้เบิ่ง I have kapun.
What happened, Emily?
There you go. Mother.
Okay. Kapun on the side.
Kapun.
Oh,
Kapun.
I have ข้าวเหนียว
Can I have some?
Look.
เกี๊ยวหมู
Okay. I have chicken. Oh.
Chicken.
Okay. Skin ให้เบิ่งเด้อ
Is that chewy?
Oh, very kicks.
เป็นยังไงหาซิมหาหน่วย
Open your มึงกินแบบนี้หนึ่งจะเอามือโลดมันเก็บมือ
Whoa. Oh, that's a lot of people texting.
แล้วก็จำข้าวเหนียวใส่ผักcabbage
ผักกะหล่
Pakalam.
cabbage กะหล่ำ
ำผัก
ปิ้งไก่
Oh, such a bummer.
Bomi, I don't have another pak. I went to see if they have pak bong. They don't even have pak bong. Hit. Oh, feel good. One more time. So good.
So good. She over here enjoying it.
I am enjoying this. โอ้จนเหงื่อออกเห็นป่ะ sweating. I think my cameraman's hungry too.
yes
มาเด้อเป็นแบบแม่ดูหนูนะจากว่าขอยบ่มีพักจะเอาเก็ดหัวปักบัวน้ำมากัดOkay guys,
Thank you.
that was my live how to TamMakHoong and it's so spicy. Talk to you later. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day
Night.
and a good night.